To show you how to fix the Snapchat has story has no sound error. First, what you'd like to do is open up the Snapchat app, and sometimes when you're trying to look at stories, you might not be able to hear the sound. Sometimes the error is the sound. There is no sound in the story, but most of the time what the error is your phone volume is down. So let's check that. Tap on button. As you can see, it's minimum, so you'll drag it up and down to control the volume settings. So make sure that your phone sound is on. So make sure that you're not connected to any Bluetooth device like your headphone or your AirPods. So make sure you know that is happening. And if the Snapchat story is not working, so what you can do is when the volume is turned up, either turn the volume down sound, either click on the volume down button or the up button, and this might help bring the sound. So what I mean to say is, if while your volume is still up, either click the volume up button or the volume down button on Instagram, and this will help you listen to the sound. So another thing is just try restarting the app, and then this might also help you guys in fixing this problem. So with that, I'm pretty sure with all these solutions, this problem will no longer be there. So